Right now, the room you are sitting in is flooded with a dense, invisible web of radio waves. A standard Wi-Fi router continuously broadcasts signals that are bouncing, refracting, and ricocheting off every surface, object, and person. We treat these ambient signals purely as a utility for internet access, but the exact way those waves scatter contains high-fidelity spatial data. With the right mathematics, you can extract the precise location of a human body, track their resting heart rate, and measure the micro-expansions of their chest as they breathe. Securing any physical space usually forces a hard compromise. Gaining situational awareness requires optical data from surveillance cameras, which aggressively violates personal privacy and is completely blinded by a simple wall. An open-source project called RuView bypasses this compromise entirely. RuView is an edge computing platform designed to convert a standard $8 ESP32 microcontroller into a clinical-grade spatial sensor. It captures human movement and biometrics without utilizing a single pixel of visual data. The exact situational intelligence we traditionally extract with invasive camera lenses is already encoded in the ambient radio frequencies we ignore. This rendering illustrates RuView's live observatory. The system translates raw multipath scattering into a real-time 3D point cloud. From this, a dual-modal pose fusion architecture maps the anomalies onto a 17-point skeletal mesh, entirely reconstructing a person's movement. This tracking operates completely blind. It continuously monitors both macro movements like walking and micro movements like respiration, straight through solid drywall. The methodology builds upon original dense pose research pioneered at Carnegie Mellon, now aggressively adapted to function in zero-camera environments. By decoupling spatial awareness from optical line of sight, structural boundaries like doors and walls no longer block surveillance. A standard Wi-Fi indicator only shows RSSI, which is too coarse for high-resolution tracking. To detect a heartbeat, you need channel state information. This data visualization displays the physical layer matrix of channel state information, or CSI. It maps exactly how an RF signal scatters, phases, and degrades across 56 distinct subcarriers in real time. Human bodies are incredibly dense with water. When a person inhales, their chest expands by mere millimeters, but that expansion physically alters the RF Fresnel zones, shifting the phase of the wave passing through them. RuView extracts this by applying a 0.1 to 0.5 Hz bandpass filter to the raw CSI matrix. This isolates specific zero crossings in the signal, which correlate exactly to human respiratory rates. Shifting the software's bandpass filter up to 0.8 to 2.0 Hz ignores the lungs and isolates the faster zero crossings required to extract a resting heart rate. Traditional sleep apnea monitoring requires strapping a patient into highly invasive, wired respiratory sensors to capture this exact caliber of data. A local Wi-Fi router replaces dedicated clinical telemetry equipment with ambient physics. Seemingly random radio frequency multipath noise can be mathematically inverted into precise biometric telemetry. Processing 56 subcarrier multipath data in real time typically demands heavy edge servers, yet RuView operates entirely on an ESP32S3 microcontroller without any reliance on cloud computing. This schematic details the core software architecture solving that compute paradox, the WASM 3 runtime. It is a strict WebAssembly interpreter operating natively on the microcontroller's highly constrained memory. To prevent CPU stalling on such a small chip, RuView utilizes an adaptive budget controller. It enforces strict execution limits down to the millisecond, organizing logic into light, standard, and heavy processing tiers. This enables a highly dynamic system. Rust modules built for no-stand environments are hot-loaded into the runtime over the air, shifting the device's function based on immediate sensing needs. The platform currently hosts a library of over 65 specific modules, capable of executing highly varied tasks, from detecting concealed weapons via metal anomaly amplitude shifts, or even assessing a patient's walking gait. In industrial applications, running the forklift proximity module allows a single sensor to detect human workers moving behind solid walls of stacked pallets, preventing blind corner collisions. By decoupling the inference logic from the silicon, a single, inexpensive sensor node can fluidly transition from a medical monitor to an industrial safety system in milliseconds. Permitting arbitrary WebAssembly payloads to run on local network nodes introduces a massive security vulnerability. To defend against malicious payloads, RuView packages its modules inside highly restricted RVF containers. Execution is explicitly blocked until the payload is verified by an ED 25519 cryptographic witness chain. Securing the runtime environment allows developers to safely deploy complex algorithms, including quantum-inspired coherence mapping, directly to the edge. This algorithmic density becomes particularly useful in environments where traditional sensors fail. The physics of channel state information actually benefit from multipath reflections inside confined metallic spaces. Inside a closed steel elevator, reflective surfaces blind infrared sensors and confuse optical cameras. RuView uses those exact reflections to accurately count the occupants. In extreme applications, the Wi-Fi mat disaster module exploits this density to locate the exact breathing signatures of survivors buried under solid concrete rubble. The counterintuitive reality of RF multipath data is that the very environments designed to perfectly block optical cameras actually amplify the tracking signal. Deploying this technology is not seamless. This is highly experimental RF engineering, and it requires meticulous physical calibration. The primary enemies of the system are baseline drift and environmental noise. Standard household interference can easily corrupt the sensitive thresholds these algorithms rely on. The most aggressive modules, like hidden weapon detection, are highly volatile. They currently demand strictly controlled laboratory-like environments to yield reliable results. The hardware itself imposes rigid limitations. Running complex, heavy, budget modules requires nearly 10 milliseconds of compute time, risking critical frame drops if the chip attempts multiple tracking tasks simultaneously. While the underlying physics are mathematically sound, deploying them in chaotic, real-world environments remains a delicate, unstable balancing act of real-time DSP budgeting. RuView successfully delivers total spatial and biometric situational awareness with zero privacy-invading optics. Current physical security paradigms rely entirely on the visual spectrum. They are completely unprepared to defend against invisible tracking. The ability to track a person's heartbeat through a solid wall was historically restricted to classified defense research. That technology is now entirely open source. It is easily accessible on GitHub, and it runs on microcontrollers that cost less than a cup of coffee. We are entering an era of ubiquitous, unblockable RF spatial mapping proliferating in the wild. The physical walls of a room can no longer guarantee your privacy from the digital world.